We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock, and Aterian stock has been on an explosive move within the volatility of the markets, guys. And it wasn't the only stock jumping up higher today. The overall market did as well. And at 11:35 a.m., our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up nearly 80% plus within minutes, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock has been moving upwards, and we're going to talk about what 42 vision has been showing and everything going on within the charts at these key levels going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and both of them gave small jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was AUVI. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, consolidating here towards the bell, and after the bell, with full strength here on 42 vision, it hit a highest point of 30% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, as I stated earlier in the video, having a lot of strength here and going from a dip area on 42 vision all the way up to a rip area. And this is going to be a pivotal point going into tomorrow and the next few days for Aterian stock. So I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility and make opportunities within the charts based off of 42 vision and receiving that clarity and edge in either direction. So here we are with Aterian stock, and it's been under a bull indicator shortly after on the 30-minute when it left that dip area of white with red borders, went to red with green borders, hit dark green, consolidated, and continued to push up through the transitions and this bull indicator. And every single pullback, this was holding true. No bear indicator popped up. This is the setup for the next bull run, setup for the next bull run. And the question mark is this the setup for the next bull run? And that's what we're going to talk about in this video today, because it was under a bear indicator since $4.42 way up here. Things continue to go into further weakness, and every time it hit a dip area, it tried to bounce back, but some bounces are weaker than others and some are stronger than others, right? And here we are today back at the 360s, and we're going to talk about the key resistance levels and supports and what the chart is showing in the bigger picture. So on the 30-minute bull indicator, right? On the 4-hour though, we are watching this carefully. No bull indicator just yet, but the transitions are happening, right? It's been under a bear indicator since way up here at $4.80. Things have gone into further weakness, hit the white with red borders of extreme weakness, and started the reversal here. And we've been watching this carefully, where it's gone from white with red borders to white with green borders, red with green borders and we hit dark green. We have not completed the full shift yet, right? After dark green comes bright green. But on top of that, we want to see a bull indicator pop up in the process. If not, this could all just be a dead cat bounce. No bull indicator to cancel out this bear indicator. This bear indicator could continue to hold true, and all it takes is a slight pullback to retest the lows and hit newer levels to the downside, or end up in a stuck scenario where it just consolidates down here, doesn't go much higher, and this bear indicator holds it down and no bull indicator pops up in the process, creating just momentum movements that don't have any real strength, right? So on the 4-hour, we definitely want to see a bull indicator like we got one here on the 30-minute. And on the 1-day though, in the bigger picture, you could see how we've been under a bear indicator since the 480s up here as well, and then things have started to shift back up, but we're just in the beginning stages of a possible bigger picture reversal, right? So right now it's just at red with green borders, but it has not transitioned into dark green just yet, and we have also bright green to go in the process. And also as well, we want a bull indicator to pop up in the reversal as it continues to go up higher, right? Because no bull indicator here means this bear indicator continues to dominate and does not get canceled out. So super important to realize these things, and these are the key things I'm going to be watching on 42 Vision going into tomorrow and the rest of this week as this momentum is playing out. So what are the key levels? The first thing is the support all the way down here at 339. If you just want to round that up to 340, you can. Is a key support level, which is the low before the close of yesterday and slightly below the low of today. That is the first support that signifies possible further weakness, and I'll be watching on the 30-minute if a bear indicator pops up on the pullback, or if this continues to hold true, no bear indicator, and this all just turns out to be another setup, right, before the next bull run, as I always call it, right? As it did here, right? Setups for the next bull run. So right now, if that happens, I'm going to be looking for strength in those areas. Now, before getting to that area, the first support I'm going to be watching as well is 352, based off one of the lows of this pullback here, okay? In that area between 352 and 340, I will be watching closely. Now, if both get broken through, the next support is down here at $3.13. To the upside, though, we've broken through some key resistance levels, such as 369 and also up here 377, but we've rejected those areas pretty quickly, and the high of the day was 394. So I definitely want to see this get back up above those levels, create support, break above 394, and get back up here towards $4.40. $4 is a first stepping stone, but then above that would be $4.40, and the continuation of this strength here of this bull indicator, as well as pulling up the 4-hour with it and getting a bull indicator in the process, and on the 1-day as well, continuing these shifts from red with green borders to dark green, and a continuation for a possible bull indicator that can cancel out this bear indicator on the 1-day and also on the 4-hour, because the volatility on the 30-minute has been pretty strong so far, and I'll be watching how 42 Vision reacts going into tomorrow. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make